Hi Jacob, thanks for giving me the chance to giving me the project about Klaviyo browser and server-side tracking for your face conversion API. So if I am go to the explain the project step by step, then I am start with the browser site, and you can see that I am pushing the data layer and by using the custom JavaScript, the custom HTML. After push the data layer, you can see that in the data layer, you have to find out the all event parameter and user information, and that is your lead form, that also the name and email, and that is our submit button. So you want to sending the data for the Facebook conversion API. So I'm back to the Google tag. So I am push the event, that is the Klaviyo form submissions, and also form ID, form title, and the email, and then name. That is the name, full name. So I have to enable the data layer with this event. So then we have to create the Facebook pixel for the browser site. So that is the FB Klaviyo from submission tag, which I am creating for the browser site. Here you have to see the pixel ID. We are using the custom event because that is the custom event, so that we have to provide it. That is not the standard event. And with the oh, object properties, we are adding the all event from ID, from title, from email, first name, last name. So now question is, we have to find out the one option to put the name. So I am divided that or two by coding. That's I am trying to push the more data in the Facebook. So I am done it, and all user data I am hashing that, because if you go to the event manager, you must be follow the hashing email and hashing user information. Otherwise, it will create problem in future, and you can see the red mark on the diagnostics. So I am hashing the all user information. So I'm back to the tag, and I'm using the mode settings, event ID, because that will be the deduplicated, and triggering will be the, as well as I am giving the trigger as a custom event name. So that is our browser site int. For the server side int, I am creating the server side for using the Google Analytics 4 as a client. So I am, because if I am, it will also done by the data tag. I am also, firstly I'm trying to the data tag, but when I see that I am able to push the more event um, user information, then I am using the Google Analytics 4. But if you have any complaint or you want to use the data tag, then we can enable it. That's not a big deal. So it's working fine. So also I am sending the FPC cookies, event ID, event time, that will be increase your event match quality, and also using the external ID, that will also increase the event match quality. And as well as I am sending the all event data, form ID, form title, and event name, and that will be the trigger. So if you can see, if I am go to the server side int and set up the conversion API, and you can see that as a event data, I am receiving the all event data from browser to server. You know that will work nicely. So I am set up the Facebook conversion API from the server side and putting the all information as well as. So our job is done perfectly. And if I go to the event manager section, you can see that our custom event are deduplicated and they are receiving the data perfectly. For that, if you have a confusion about the user data as a name, so I am go to the Google Tag Manager browser site, and I am go to the variable section. So you can see that I am sending the first name and last name. Here you can see that I am creating both of that, because when they are putting the full name, some like uh, Jacob or others. I do not know your name, full name. So that will be the you. I am using the custom JavaScript, so that will create the two name, that is first name and last name, because that will be the increase the your even match quality. So I am done this. So that is my int. Your all setup is perfectly working, and thank you again to giving me the opportunity to done the project. So if you have any questions, any query, then you can ask me on by the chat or whatever. So we will also work together more and more. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.